Hi, welcome to histexting.com training videos. Today we're going to be discussing how to add groups and the importance of groups and group messages. So let's go ahead in here. Now once we're in our dashboard, click groups. Now you can you can name groups whatever you want. Typically you want to divide them up between maybe members, first-time visitors is another example, staff members if you want to send out quick emails to all your staff instantly. That would be another idea. Conference people, and I would group them obviously according to the types that you want to send out. But there are some strategies here in the use of groups. Groups actually use what's called keywords. Okay, and I'll explain what keywords are. Let's go to, for example, Light Explosion. Okay, lightexplosion.com. On the website on Light Explosion, down in the very footer, and in different places throughout the website, we offer phone message subscriptions. Okay, so it says, how would you like to get our messages on your phone every single week by text message? Well, now you can. Simply text message the phone number, that phone number right there, and type the word enter, and that's it. And it says then every week you can expect to get our messages right on your phone, and you can watch them on the road while taking breaks or anywhere your phone can receive a signal, which is practically everywhere. So be sure to add our number to your contacts so that you recognize the text message when it comes. Now, this option here is available. Okay, so now when a person uses the word or types the word enter to your text number or any other number here, you want to create a specific group for them and a specific keyword. So in this case, we're actually doing phone message subscriptions for our messages. It says, how would you like to get our messages? So we send on a weekly basis, we send people text messages letting them know that a new message, or sending them a link to our new video, either posted on our website or YouTube or whatever platform, could be Facebook. We send them that link right to their phone. They click the link automatically opens up to the appropriate platform, and then then right there instantly on their phones they're watching your message. Okay, so here we chose enter. You could choose make a group called, let's say for example we want to add a group, and we want to say messages. Okay, and that would be your indication. Um, and then you could say the keyword could be send. Now, I do like capitalizing the first letter. This is case sensitive. I do like capitalizing the first letter, and this is why. Because iPhones usually, typically their keyboards and keypads, usually always do an auto cap on the first letter. So you would want to say messages. So on yours, of course, then you would say, please type the word messages and then send it. So when they literally send the word message to this phone number, they automatically will get added to this group, to the messages group, and then in addition to that, they'll immediately receive an autoresponder back to them saying thank you for subscribing to our messages. You will be receiving links to our messages immediately when they are posted each week. Now, down to 0 characters here. Okay. Now, what I would do is, if thank you for subscribing to our messages, you can just say thank you. Okay. You'll be receiving links to our messages immediately when they are posted. Okay. They are posted. Here we have 31 characters remaining. When they are posted each week, please share or forward. Boom. There we go. And that would encourage people then, when they receive that text message, then to forward that text message to other people. Okay, and then therefore increasing the outreach of your text messaging software and prowess. That's pretty much it. And we have stop, end, message data rates apply here. Stop to end, they could reply to stop and it would end anytime after that. So let's go ahead and click save. So now when someone types in the word messages here, and let's just go ahead and do that as a sample. I'm going to use my phone here, and I'm going to personally, while we're actually speaking, I'm going to dial a number. Let me go into my little messages here, and I'm going to create a new message, and I'm going to use the number 1239 206 54 479, and I'm going to type in the word messages. Okay, I believe it was messages. Let's go back to groups just to make sure. Messages. Yep, that's the word. I'm going to click send. Okay, I just sent it. Okay, now notice here it says there's one person in this group now. I'm looking at my phone now, and I received an autoresponder back to my phone, and it says, "Thank you. You will be receiving links to our messages immediately when they are posted each week. Please share or forward. Stop to end. Message and data rates apply." Okay, done. So now you'll notice here the group now has one person in this group. So now each week when you want to send out a bulk SMS, what you do is, I'm actually going to go ahead and include this in another tutorial, but whenever you send out bulk MSs, it does ask you which groups to send to. And so you can choose one group or you can choose all groups if you want. But if you're specifically sending out your weekly message and you only want to send it to those people who subscribed, then you could send it here and also here. So maybe they're not the same people. Maybe those people are already on your list, but the subscriptions came a different way, and they use the keywords for groups in a different way. Then you may want to choose them all. Now, and I'll get into sending messages a little bit later. But so basically, groups are a way of dividing who you send your bulk SMSs to, and which groups and which groups apply. So I hope this covered groups. After this, after you've set up your groups, usually the next step is the importation of contacts, which should be, or contact importation, which should be the next training video here on histexting.com. Thanks, and have a blessed day.